Assalamu alaikum, hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you doing great. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm also doing fantastic. Well, right now I'm here in front of the camera and I'd like to practice my English practical. That's why I'm here and I'd like to say something. Actually, today is Friday, so today is very special day for us, especially every Muslims. Okay, after performing Jummah prayer and after having lunch, yes, after having lunch, I'm here on in front of the camera and I'd like to say something in English because I believe if I can make video every single day in English, then I can be able to become a good English speaker. So that's why I need to speak every single day. And you know what? If you are a beginner, then you can also make video every single day only for practicing purpose. You just open up your camera and say something in front of the camera. Don't think about making mistakes. Yes, you do not think about making mistakes because it has happened. When you say something in English, you will make mistakes, but if you have to forget about that, you have to just continue your speaking, and one or other day you will be a great English speaker. Like I'm speaking in English and I don't care about making mistakes, so learn English practically and try to speak something in English. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.